Let's play Snake Running Head. Baka magulat.
Where's the cell phone? Where's your cell phone? Where did you put it? Right. Where's the cell phone?
Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Oh
Oh my gosh. What are you doing here? Oh my gosh. Wait. What? Am I lagging or something? What the? What the? What? Oh my gosh! Oh, Nikis. Nikis! Oh my gosh! What the? That's not nice. Gosh, fucking Avatar na. Avatar so cute. It's already 1 minute. What? What the what? What is that noise? Wait. What the? What is this? To what? What is there to? What the? Okay, let's do this. Touch this. What the? I think. Gosh, please. Huh. Oh my gosh, I'm third. Hey, why am I crying? I want third. Ah! Don't touch the infected. Someone died already. I'm gonna for real win this game. I need this. I need this. Get out. Get out. Oh my! Yay! I'm the winner. Thank you for clapping for me, Kia. For two. Find burger. Burger. Oh my gosh, find meat. Is this meat? Oh my! That is meat. Oh my gosh, I'm the winner! I'm for real good. Find me. Oh my gosh, I hate this. I'm not gonna win this challenge. See, you know. Oh my gosh, I'm third. Oh, why am I backward? I hate this game. Okay. What the? What's this? What the? Yacht Simulator. Kids probably playing this game. Why am I playing? Amazing games. What should I play? Collect the body. Inside the word. Set out tower. Secrets. Who is the spy? No. I'll do MM2. I'll do MM2 in the next video. Okay. For real, gonna lose, okay? Gonna lose. don't see. Oh my God! This again! Ayan ulit! Ayan ulit! Ayoko na! I just... Pinindot ko lang. What in the Slenderman is that? Okay? Like what? Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna lose. That is easy. First try. What is this? Oh my! Oh my God! Oh my gosh, I don't want this. I want. Ayaw. Freaking two story. Start sorry. Simon says, die. I don't want to die, okay? I have a life, okay? Okay. AFK for your DC. No. Don't trust these guys. That is fake. Joke lang. Favorite ko tong game dati. Ang dami ko nang nakukulit. Ang dami ko nang nakulit dyan. Mini-games. Wait! Why am I last? Why am I last? Don't take this. Color or die. I want to color, but flight, ito na lang. Pero nakakainis din yun. Kasi ibang taste. Sorry. I hate this game, but I love this game. I hate this game, but I love this game. Oh, I can see. Wait. Dito guys. Alam ko red. Kasi sabi ng lalaki red. Kaya nakakainis to. Diba? What the? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm the only one na. What? Much better. What in the music taste? Babae ko ba to?
It's crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Nothing I can do. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you.
Would you stuck with you? Oh my gosh, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. What's up, blah, 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 blah. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Nice. Oh my gosh, kitang-kita, oh. Meron siyang ano. Tingnan natin.
It's crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe.
Sorry, Stuck With You by Ariana Grande. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental.
Oh, that's my favorite song. When I was a kid. But I picked this. Uy, kami yung pixel. Red team wins.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental.
Oh my gosh.
I got addicted to a losing game.
I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future cause I'm
Make a cup of coffee for your bed. Make a cup of coffee. Oh my gosh! Lagi kami magkakaya nun. Tingnan mo kung sino yan. Palit na naman. Oh my gosh! Fight! Fight! Okay, okay, okay. Fighting. Oh my gosh! Ay, napatay ko! Ayun pa, oh. Oh, yeah. Jump is for them. Yeah, oh my gosh. Kawawa naman to eh. Oh yeah. Fight this guy.
I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future cause I'll never.
What kind of, you don't know. I'll make a cup of coffee for your friend. Go. Yes, love.
In the middle of the night, my dreams.
Ayun na lang. Para mas madaming tao ito. Pero yung mama, ready for it. And the never mind my dreams. In the fear of the night, my dreams. Oh my gosh.
Forever and ever. Take me
Ow, take me. Alam ko, hindi nila. Ayaw nila talaga kay Taylor Swift. Pero I fight for Taylor Swift. Okay? Go. Oh my gosh! I will fight for Taylor Swift! Patay ka dyan. Yeah, patay natin yan, si Neo. Help! Help, guys, help! Papatay ka dyan.
forever and ever. Take me
Ow! Lover. Nay na!
You betrayed me, and I know that you'll never feel.
Water ng red.
This looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy.
Na 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 na. Puro mga bata. I will fight for Taylor Swift. Baka ako lang. Go! Oh my gosh, this is one.
You betrayed me, and I know that you'll never feel.
Sorry. Okay, bye now, guys. Bye now. Bye now. Bye bye. 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 Bye bye.